What is the crack? Welcome to the channel. My name's the Rusty Bartender, and today's cocktail, depending on which actual rum you use, can be called two different things entirely. If you're going to be using Gosling's Black Seal rum like I am today, then for all intents and purposes, this is a trademarked cocktail and is called the Dark and Stormy. This cocktail was created in the 1920s by the Gosling family and has been trademarked ever since. So if you're going to be using any other type of dark rum which isn't Gosling's, then this cocktail is actually known as a Rum Mule or a safe harbor. And if you didn't know already, we're making every single cocktail in Steve the Bartender's cocktail guide. We're just going to start by adding some big cubes of ice to my glass. And we're going to start off with 4 ounces of ginger beer. I'm using Fever Tree ginger beer. It's really good quality ginger beer. Nice and fiery, but not too fiery. Not sweet, but not too sweet. Here we go. If I was making this in the house, saying that, I would just be eyeballing this because that's what you do. You don't go grabbing your measure for ginger beer, but here we are. I'm making every recipe in this cocktail guide as is, so let's go. 4 ounces. Usually you don't measure in jiggers because fizzy drinks tend to fizz up. Just give that a little stir just to chill. My ginger beer hasn't been in the fridge for very long, so you want it to be nice and cold. And then you're going to measure 1.5 ounces of your black rum or your dark rum, whatever you're using. And hopefully we're just going to float this on top. Just get your spoon. Looking good. Little lime wedge for the garnish for this one, guys. And that's it. How simple is that? Dark and Stormy or Rum Mule? Let me know what you call it in the comments. Right, looks good, doesn't it? But you're not gonna drink it like that, are you? You're gonna give it a little stir, give it a little squeeze of the lime too, because together, this is delicious stuff. Give it a little stir. The bottoms up. Absolutely delicious. Fiery ginger, get the dark molassesy notes from the rum. Rum Mule is like it's like the fast food of cocktails, I think. I mean, this is McDonald's in a glass as a cocktail. But what I mean by that is it has its place at the time. It's delicious. Is it absolutely amazing? No. Is it the best cocktail you'll ever have in your entire life? No. But it's good. It's damn good and it's drinkable. Get amongst it. The Rum Mule or Dark and Stormy, whatever you want to call it. Cheers, folks. See you in the next one.